Hi, my name's Haley Wilson, and this is my lesson plan. So, my grade is for kindergarten. My lesson title is Dump Trucks and Counting, and the topic is counting and cardinality. My targeted curriculum area is math. My Common Core standards are KCC A1, count to 100 by ones and by tens, and KOA A5, fluently add and subtract within 5. My standards include analyst. Educators understand and use data to drive their instruction and support students to achieving their learning goals. And designer. Educators design authentic, learner-driven activities and environments that recognize and accommodate to learner variability. So the designer comes in because I will be using, as you'll see later in my video, a smartboard, and not all students just need to sit and listen. They're visual learners or they're hands-on. So this could be good for the whole class. And the analyst part is that, like, I did research and I've actually done a lesson plan like this before, but with preschoolers. So I know how each kid might do with it. Objectives. The students will be able to count by tens. The students will be able to comfortably subtract and add. And the students will be able to talk about their addition in front of their peers. The technology I'll be using and the level of integration is I'll be using a smartboard, PowerPoint with animation and games, and its entry-level integration. So the materials that I will be providing or needed for this lesson plan is I'll be printing out dump trucks on papers with numbers in the middle of them. I'll print out dump truck themed addition and subtraction worksheets. The smartboard will be turned on and calibrated and ready for the activities. And I'll have rocks for each group to go along with the dump truck theme so they can use that to put into the truck when they are doing their addition and subtraction worksheets. So they can pick them up and go 1, 2, all the way up to whatever numbers on the dump truck, just in case they're a hands-on learner. So hook. I will start off by passing out the laminated dump truck that has numbers on them, and I will ask them, I would say, do my friends know what these trucks are called? Along with rocks for the project. I will then turn on a video below about dump trucks. In this video below, he is talking about dump trucks and counting, which goes along with this theme is perfect. So I probably won't leave the whole thing on because I don't want to lose them too fast. So my steps and procedures. So I will pass out all materials needed. The children, I will put them into groups of 2. I will then begin the video I have for our lesson. I will then turn that off, and each group will have a chance to come up to the smartboard, and with the pen or their finger, they will each get a rock that's on there and drag it onto the dump truck. So each rock they grab, they'll go 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way up. And then after that lesson, they will go back to their seats, and I will then pass out the addition and subtraction worksheets, which will just have like little what's it called? Problems on them with dump trucks around them. And that's when they will use the little worksheets with the dump trucks and the rocks. So they can use each rocks to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then when it's time to subtract, they can take those away and count how many would be left. For closure, after we finish as a class, I will have a friend from each group collect all the supplies. After they all settle, I will go over which part they enjoyed most from the lesson. And this is my reference, as this is what I would use. It's an example of what I have in mind. And then above here is my link, and that's my lesson plan. Thank you.